Hi everyone, my name is Caroline and I'm here with Caroline and Navigators to highlight 3 different items from our New Zealand kit. So first off is this stuffed animal. It's a kiwi bird. It's this funny looking bird that's known for being a little funny because it can't fly, it's nocturnal, and it has this really long beak. And what's significant about it is that New Zealanders are often referred to as kiwis. This is for a couple of different reasons. One is because it was popular to represent New Zealanders in early 20th century cartoons as kiwi birds, and also because in World War I, the soldiers were known as kiwis to everyone else. All the Allied troops would call them kiwis. So nowadays, the kiwi bird shows up on their coins, their 20-cent coin and their $1 coin. And also it shows up in their National Royal Air Force as their mascot. So that is the kiwi bird. And the next item is this rugby ball and the rugby uniform. This is significant because rugby is New Zealand's national sport. Their rugby team is well known internationally because they won the last 2 World Cup championships for rugby. And also they're very well known for performing the haka before each game to intimidate the other team. And the haka is an ancient Maori dance and they perform a dance called the kameteama, and it represents triumphing or life triumphing over death. So that's very famous, and you can go to our Pinterest board to look at a video about the haka dance. And then the last items are these images of New Zealand landscape. They're very famous for their mountains, and even this picture represents Queenstown, New Zealand, which is the adrenaline capital of the world. They have a lot of outdoor activities like bungee jumping, hang gliding, skydiving, skiing. Also, they're very well known for their river rafting through caves. They have a lot of glowworms in their caves. So yeah, and then I'd also recommend again, I'd go to our Pinterest board. We have heaps of resources to aid this culture kit. And I'd also like to highlight, we have a video of another Maori dance that they use. This is called the poi, and women use it to dance along to the songs. So thank you.